Good morning, students. Today we are going to see chapter 3, Theory of Equation. This theory of equation, we are going to see about polynomial equation. So first, what is polynomial equation? What is polynomial function? What is mean by root? What is mean by zero? All those things we are going to see in this introduction part. And finally, we are going to form a polynomial equation satisfying given conditions on root. So according to the problem, we are going to form a new polynomial equation. Okay, so before getting into the polynomial equation, first we can learn the basic terms that we have learned already. So chapter 3, Theory of Equation. Now, the theory of equation, what are the things we are going to see is your constant. Now tell me, what does mean by constant? Constant means fixed value, right? So it may be like 1, 2, 3, etc. Any numbers, right? So constant, we will not change the values. That is your numerical value is your constant. So that is 1, 2, 3, etc. Next, what is mean by variable? So what does mean by variable? Variable means changing values, right? Changing values. So changing values, we will denote it by A, B, C, or we can denote by X, Y, Z, like that. Okay, so we can change the value. So if we change the value, it is variable. If we can't change the value, that is called constant. Okay, now tell me, what is your monomial? This is all you have studied in your lower class. Binomial, trinomial, and polynomial. Yes, what is mean by mono? Single. Bi, two. Tri, three. Poly means more than 3. Correct? So if the equation has only one term, then it is called monomial. So we can take it that as x. So this is your monomial. Binomial means two terms will come. Correct? So x square plus 1. If two terms will come, then it is called binomial. Trinomial means three terms will come. So x square plus x plus 1, three terms will come. And what is mean by polynomial? Polynomial is more than three terms. So x cube plus x square plus x plus 1, etc. Okay, so this is your monomial, binomial, trinomial, and polynomial. What is monomial? Only one term. Binomial, two term. Trinomial, 3 term, and polynomial, 4 term. Okay, so the fully we are going to see only about polynomial. So first I'll take polynomial function. So what is mean by polynomial function? If we have more than 3 terms, then we can say it is a polynomial function. So how can we denote that polynomial function? P of, this is your formula, this is your polynomial equation. P of x equal to an x power n, an minus 1 x power n minus 1, etc. up to a1x plus a naught. Okay, that is this is your higher degree. It may be of any n, maybe of any number. So an xn plus an minus 1 n minus 1 x power n minus 1 plus etc. up to a1x plus a naught is your polynomial function. Okay, now in this polynomial function, this thing a naught, a1, a2, etc. up to an are all constant. Correct? This is all constant. Okay, that we can't change this value. Only we can change your x value. X is your variable, right? Now, this a1, a2, a3, etc. an, it may take any value. Correct? In the a1, a2, எந்த values வேணாலும் இருக்கலாம். Right? Okay. If suppose, okay, if suppose this a naught, a1, etc. an is your real number. real number na enna, any value minus infinity to plus infinity is your real number, correct? So in the a1 a2 an, if it is real number, then we can say that இது என்ன சொல்லலாம், p is polynomial equation தானே இது. So p is polynomial over r. Over r means real numberல கொடுத்திருக்கிற equation polynomial. Suppose இந்த a0 a1 etc. இந்த an எல்லாம் complex number இருந்தா, okay, if it is complex number, then what we can say it, p is polynomial over c. Over c na complex number. அதே மாதிரி வேற என்னென்னலாம் சொல்லலாம், if a1 a2 an integer இருந்தா p is polynomial over integer, அந்த மாதிரி we can say that, ஓகேவா? So a1 a0 a1 a2 இதெல்லாம் constant, அந்த a1 a0 a1 a real number இருந்தா p is polynomial over r, complex number இருந்தா p is polynomial over c, integer இருந்தா p is polynomial over q and over z, and rational இருந்தா p is polynomial over q. We can say like that, okay va? So this is your polynomial function. Next, what is your polynomial equation? Polynomial equation. So what is mean by polynomial equation? Same thing, that is your p of x equal to an xn, an minus 1 xn minus 1 etc. up to a1x plus a0 if it is equal to 0. So if it is equal to 0, then you can say that the given equation is a polynomial equation. 0 illama irunda, if 0 is not there, then it is polynomial function. 0 oda irunda, it is polynomial equation, okay va? Now suppose in the x க்கு பதிலா we are taking any other constant, ஏதாவது ஒரு constant எடுக்கிறோம், okay va? So let x equal to c எடுக்கிறோம், ஏதாவது ஒரு constant or ஏதாவது ஒரு number எடுக்கிறோம். அப்ப இந்த equation எப்படி மாறும்? p of c equal to an c power n, an minus 1 c power n minus 1 etc. up to a1c plus a0, okay? இந்த term full-ஆ 0-வா இருந்தா, suppose நம்ம ஒரு constant எடுக்கிறோம், அந்த constant substitute பண்றோம் equationல, final answer 0-வா இருந்துச்சுன்னா, then you can say that c is called a 0. நம்ம 0 னு சொல்லலாம், இல்லாட்டி root னு சொல்லலாம், ரெண்டோட மீனிங்கும் சேம் தான், okay? Then c is called 0 or root of a polynomial, root of the polynomial. What does mean by 0? 0 na root, and the equation order root. Suppose x square plus 1, okay, x square minus 1 equal to 0 na, what we can take x equal to plus or minus 1 and எடுக்கிறோம் இல்லையா, that is a factor, and the factor தான் நம்ம 0 இல்லாட்டி root ன்னு சொல்றோம், okay? So ஒரு value substitute பண்றோம், suppose அதோடைய answer 0-வா கிடைச்சா, then we can say that number, that constant is called 0 னும் சொல்லலாம், root னும் சொல்லலாம், okay? 0 of the polynomial or root of the polynomial. Okay, next again, what is this one? Equal to 0 on the, what we can say? Polynomial equation. So we are taking one polynomial equation. இதோடைய higher power எது? x power n. So higher power oda coefficient இருக்கு இல்லையா? What is it coefficient? a power n. So this a power n is called leading coefficient. Leading means அதுதான் highest power, correct? So leading coefficient. And that term, and the full term, that is an x power n. In the x power n the highest degree, correct? So this highest degree is called leading term. Leading term. Is that clear? So highest power or coefficient, we can say that leading coefficient, and that term is called leading term. Okay, and next, polynomial with the leading coefficient. Suppose இதோடைய coefficient, this is your highest power, and the highest power ஓட coefficient 1 இருந்தா, then it is called monic polynomial. What is that? The highest power, highest degree ஓட coefficient, if it is 1, that is leading coefficient. Leading coefficient equal to 1, then it is called, what it is called? Monic polynomial. Is that clear? Okay. Now we can see some results. Okay. Now first one, polynomial functions are defined for all values of x. So எல்லா valuesமே we can find out this polynomial function. Okay, and your second one is every non-zero constant is a polynomial of degree 0. The கடைசில constant இருக்கும் இல்லையா, கடைசில that a0, and the a0 is also a polynomial of degree 0. And next one, the constant 0, suppose constant or constant illa, that is 0 இருந்தா, it is also called 0 polynomial, and its degree is not defined. Degree is not defined. Okay va? Now always இந்த degree எப்படி இருக்கும்னா non-negative integer தான் இருக்கும். It will not be negative. It will be a non-negative. Next, the zero polynomial is a only polynomial with leading coefficient 0. So what is mean by zero polynomial? Constant 0 இருந்தா it is zero polynomial. So in the zero polynomial is a only polynomial with leading coefficient 0. Okay, suppose x ஓட power 2 இருக்கு. So x ஓட power 2 இருந்தா it is called quadratic polynomial. Okay, x ஓட degree 3 இருந்தா it is cubic polynomial. x ஓட degree 4 இருந்தா it is quadric polynomial. Okay va? So these are the things that it may ask in your 1 mark question. Next, quadratic equation. I have to solve the quadratic equation. So quadratic na meaning in a power 2. So x square plus x plus 5 எப்படி நம்ம solve பண்ணுவோம்? Either we can use tree method, இல்லாட்டி that formula. What is that formula? Minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Correct? So in the formula போட்டு we can solve and we can get the x value. அந்த x value தான் நம்ம ரூட்னு சொல்லுவோம், இல்லாட்டி ஜீரோன்னு சொல்லுவோம். Right? Now, newly concept, that is your Vita formula. Vita's formula and formation of polynomial equation. So what is this Vita's formula? நம்ம எதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்றோம் அப்படின்னா, to find out the roots. So first roots find out பண்ணிக்கலாம். Then we can form a new polynomial equation. So new root find out பண்ணி திரும்ப நியூவா ஒரு polynomial equation நம்ம form பண்ணனும்னா we can use this Vita's formula. So இந்த Vita's formulaக்கு quadratic இருக்கு, polynomial equations இருக்கு. Okay, so first we can see for quadratic equation. So இந்த Vita formula எப்படி நம்ம இது வரைக்கும் quadratic நம்ம எப்படி solve பண்ணியிருக்கோம்? minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac, right? But இப்போ நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போறோம்னா, இந்த quadratic equation. So quadratic equation என்னன்னு எடுக்கலாம்? General form we can take it as ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Okay va? So இது ஒரு quadratic equation we are considering. Now what is the power of this x? 2. அப்போ இதுக்கு எவ்வளோ ரூட்ஸ் இருக்கணும்? 2 ரூட்ஸ் இருக்கணும். அந்த 2 ரூட்ஸை நம்ம என்ன எடுக்கிறோன்னா, let alpha beta be the roots. ரெண்டு ரூட்ஸை என்னென்னு எடுக்கிறோம்? ஆல்ஃபா பீட்டான்னு எடுக்கிறோம். சப்போஸ் அங்கே பவர் வந்து 3 இருந்துச்சுன்னா எத்தனை ரூட்ஸ் எடுக்கணும்? 3 ரூட்ஸ் we have to take alpha beta gamma. ஓகேவா? ஓகே, now So alpha, beta we have taken. Next, this beta formula relate the coefficient of polynomial to sum and product of its roots. So நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போறோம்னா இதோடைய sum இந்த root ஓட sum root ஓட product we are going to find out. Okay வா? So sum of the roots alpha plus beta. Sum of the roots, what is the formula? Minus b by a. That is coefficient of x by coefficient of x square minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. Is that clear? Next, sum find out பண்ணியாச்சு. Next, product alpha beta. So alpha beta formula is c by a. That is constant by coefficient of x square. This is a formula that you have to keep it in your mind. Okay, wow. So what is the thing? Alpha beta be the roots, அதோடைய sum and product we are going to find out. So alpha plus beta ங்கிறது minus b by a, alpha beta ங்கிறது c by a. Okay வா? So this is a quadratic equation whose roots are alpha and beta. இது new quadratic equation நம்ம எப்படி find out பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னா x square minus sum of the roots of sum of roots into x plus product equal to 0. This is the way this is the way which we can find out a new polynomial equation. So what is the form? X square minus sum into x plus product of the root which is equal to 0. Is that clear? Okay. Next, this is for quadratic equation. Next we can find out for polynomial equation. Okay, so we can take one polynomial equation. We can take one polynomial equation. So polynomial equation we can take it as ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equal to 0. Correct? So this is your polynomial equation. So இப்போ இதுக்கு நம்ம எத்தனை roots போடணும்? 3 roots. என்னென்ன roots எடுக்கலாம்? Let alpha, beta, gamma be the roots. Correct? Let alpha, beta, gamma be the roots. Next என்ன find out பண்ணணும்? Sum of the roots, product of the roots we have to find out. Okay. இப்போ இங்க 3 இருக்கறனால sum of one root எடுக்கலாம். So that we can take it as alpha plus beta plus gamma which is equal to, what is the formula? Minus b by a. Next, sum of two roots, because இங்க 3 root இருக்கறனால sum of one root அப்புறம் sum of two root எடுக்கணும். அது எப்படி எடுக்கலாம்? Alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha which is equal to next root in a c. So c by a. Next, sum of one root find out பண்ணியாச்சு, sum of two root. Next, product. So product of 3 root is alpha, beta, gamma which is equal to last one is d. So minus d by a. Now look at here, நீங்க பாருங்க first minus plus minus. So alternate symbol இது வரும். Okay வா? So after this, how we can make the equation? Okay வா? This we got it. After that we have to make the equation now. So how we can make the equation? X cube, right? Minus sum of first root. So alpha, beta, gamma of x square. Next thing minus வந்ததுனால plus sum of two root. அப்ப alpha, beta, beta, gamma, gamma alpha into x, correct? Into x. Next, last one. Plus minus கடைசில என்ன வரணும்? It is minus. So minus alpha, beta, gamma which is equal to 0. Exercise 3.1, first problem. So what is given? If the sides of a cubic box are increased by 1, 2, 3 units respectively to form a rectangular cuboid, then the volume of the increased by 52 cubic units. Find the volume of cuboid. So இங்க என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்கன்னா 1 cube is given. Okay, 1 cube is given. In the cube side we can take it as a. So what is your volume of a cube? a cube. So ஒரு cube கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. And what else they asked us in the what is this in the cube the sides எல்லாம் வந்து increase பண்ணுறோம். 1 unit 2 unit 3 unit இந்த 3 sides இது 1 unit increase பண்ணுறோம், இது 2 unit increase பண்ணுறோம், இது 3 unit increase பண்ணுறோம். increase பண்ணால் நம்மளுக்கு என்ன கிடைக்குது? ஒரு cuboid கிடைக்குது. என்ன கிடைக்குது? ஒரு cuboid கிடைக்குது. Okay, okay, so in the cuboid we can take it as 3 sides are given us, so 3 sides we can take it as a plus 1 a plus 2 a plus 3. Is that okay? Now using this we are going to find out this volume of a cuboid. Okay, so let us consider the solution. Okay, so இதோடைய வால்யூம் எப்படி, இதோடைய சைட்ஸ் எப்படி எடுத்துக்கலாம்? a plus 1 a plus 2 a plus 3 ன்னு we can take it. Okay, now so let the side of the cube, let the side of the cube be a. Okay va? Next one more condition is given. இதை வந்து we can take it as v1, இதை we can take it as v2, volume 1 volume 2. Okay va? Now one hint is given. If the sides number and the sides increase பண்ணோம்னா then the volume is increased by 52 units. ஸோ நீங்கள் இந்த கியூப்லேருந்து கியூபாய்டை வந்து நீங்கள் ஃபார்ம் பண்ணும்போது இதோடைய வால்யூம் எப்படி இருக்குன்னா increased by 52 units. that is இந்த v2லேருந்து v1 சப்ராக்ட் பண்ணிங்கன்னா 52 units increase ஆகிருக்கும். that is the meaning. so what is the volume of cube? a cube. so இது எப்படி எழுதலாம்? a plus 1 a plus 2 a plus 3 minus v1 oda volume is a cube, correct? which is equal to 52. now in the a1 a plus 1 a plus 2 multiply பண்ணீங்கன்னா a square plus 2a plus 1a 3a plus 1 2 is 2 into இது அப்படியே வரும் a plus 3 minus a cube equal to 52. is that right? now again எதையும் multiply பண்ணணும். you have to multiply this two terms. okay va? so இதை multiply பண்ணீங்கன்னா you will get a cube plus 3a square 3a square plus 9a plus 2a plus 6 minus a cube equal to 52. right? so now this a cube will get cancelled. 3 plus 3 is 6. so 6a square plus 9 plus 2 11a 52 when comes this side minus 52. so 6 minus 52 is minus 46 which is equal to 0. now what we have to do? we have to factorize this. so எப்படி factorize பண்ணலாம்? this one 6 into minus 46 is 276 and this will be your 11. so what are the numbers? when we multiply we have to get minus 276 and when we add we have to get 11. so what are the two numbers? minus 12 into 23. so 12 into 23. so 12 into 23 is 276. இங்க plus 1 we have to get that. so இந்த minus எங்க போடணும்? இங்க 12 கிட்ட போடணும். so minus 12 23 is minus 276 minus 12 plus 23 is minus 11. இங்க coefficient 6 இருக்கிறனால அதை we have to divide that. correct? okay, now what is your a value? 12 by 6 comma minus 23 by 6 1 6 6 are 2 6 are 12. correct? now sides வந்து can it be negative? no. so definitely this value will not come, right? so what we can take? a cannot be negative, therefore a equal to 2. a equal to 2. what is your a value? 2. and what we have to find out? volume of a cuboid, right? therefore volume of the cuboid is equal to, what is your volume of cuboid? a plus 1 a plus 2 a plus 3. that is 2 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 2 plus 3. So this is 5, 4, 2. 5 fours are, this is 2 plus 2, 4, 3 plus 2, 5. 5 fours are 20, 20 into 3 is 60. So answer is 60 cubic units. 60 cubic units is your final answer. Your second question. Construct cubic equation with roots 1, 2 and 3. Many subdivisions are given. Okay, so I'll do the third subdivision. What is the third subdivision? Your second problem, third subdivision. Now what we have to do? We have to construct a cubic equation. So எவ்வளோ roots கொடுத்திருக்காங்க? 3 roots கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. What are the roots? 2, 1 by 2, 1. Is that right? Okay. Let alpha, beta, gamma be the given roots. Okay, ma? We are going to name that alpha, beta, gamma. Okay, and already I told you how to form a cubic equation. So cubic equation first find out panano sum of single root, sum of double root and product of root. Correct? So your solution will be, okay, first sum of single root, alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. Right? So 2 2s are 4, 1 2 is to 4 plus 1 5. Sorry, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 7. So answer is 7 by 2. Is that right? Now sum of two roots. Sum of two roots now alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha. Correct? Which is equal to 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1 into 2. Sum of two roots, which is equal to 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 2. Correct? Again, this is also 7 by 2. Next, sum of single root completed, sum of double root completed. Next, product of root. Product of root is alpha, beta, gamma, which is equal to 2 into 1 by 2 into 1. So 2 will get cancelled. So what is your answer? 1. That's all. Therefore, a cubic equation is, a cubic equation is, what is the format? X cube minus sum of single root. Sum of single root, what is the answer? 7 by 2. So sum of single root into x square minus the next plus sum of double root. So 7 by 2 x plus na aduthathu minus and product of root is 1. Correct? Which is equal to 0. Again, this simplify pannamna 2x cube minus 7x square plus 7x. This LCM எடுத்தோம்னா 2 and அந்த 2 opposite side கொண்டு போனோம்னா which answer is 0. Therefore, your 2x cube minus 7x square plus 7x minus 2 equal to 0 is your final answer. So one more time, how, see, 3 roots கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. ஓகேவா? இந்த 3 ரூட்ஸை வச்சு we are going to form a cubic equation. எப்படி find out பண்ணணும்? இந்த 3 ரூட்ஸ் எப்படி எடுத்தோம்? ஆல்ஃபா, பீட்டா, காமா. ஸோ 3 ரூட்ஸ் கொடுத்தோம். என்னென்னலாம் find out பண்ணணும்? Sum of single root, sum of double root and product of root. ஓகேவா? And cubic equation எப்படி form ஆகும்? X cube minus sum of single root into x square plus sum of double root into x minus product of root. And the answers எல்லாம் substitute பண்ணி simplify பண்ணீங்கன்னா you will get the final answer. Is that right? Okay, next, your third question. Yes, third question. If alpha, beta and gamma are the roots of the cubic equation. So ஒரு cubic equation கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. X cube plus 2x square plus 3x plus 4 equal to 0. ஓகேவா? ஒரு cubic roots கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. இந்த cubic rootோட roots என்னன்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க? alpha, beta, gamma. Alpha, beta, gamma are the roots அப்படின்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. Okay, next what we are going to find out? form a cubic equation. நம்ம புதுசா ஒரு cubic equation form பண்ண போறோம். Okay, and whose roots are three subdivisions கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. ஓகேவா, அந்த ரூட்ஸை வச்சு we are going to give the answer. Okay, okay, let's see the solution. Now alpha beta gamma are the roots of this equation கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. அப்போ sum of single root என்ன? Alpha plus beta plus gamma. Answer என்ன? Minus b by a. அப்போ answer minus 2 by 1 which is equal to minus 2. Correct? Next, sum of double root alpha beta beta gamma gamma alpha equal to c by a. So c oda value 3, a oda value 1. அப்போ 3 by 1 which is equal to 3. Alternate sign வரணும், plus minus plus அப்படி வரணும். Next, product of root. So product of root is alpha beta gamma which is equal to constant by coefficient of x cube. So 4 by 1 minus 4 by 1 which is equal to minus 4. Is that right? So கொடுத்திருக்கிற problem வச்சு we found out sum of single root, sum of double root and product of root. Is that clear? Now your first subdivision. நம்ம என்ன ஃபார்ம் பண்ணணும்? ஒரு நியூவா cubic equation ஃபார்ம் பண்ணணும். அதோடைய ரூட்ஸை என்னன்னு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க? 2 alpha 2 beta 2 gammaன்னு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. ஓகேவா? now இப்போ இதோடைய sum of single root கண்டுபிடிக்கணுமா? அந்த single root, double root, product எல்லாம் கண்டுபிடிச்சா தானே we can form the cubic equation. so sum of single root எப்படி எழுதலாம்? 2 எல்லாத்துலேயுமே 2 காமனாக இருக்கிறதுனால அந்த 2 வெளியே எடுத்துடலாமா? ஸோ இல்லை, எப்படி போட்டலாம்? 2 alpha 2 beta 2 gamma which is equal to 2 காமனாக எடுத்தோம்னா alpha beta gamma. Alpha plus beta plus gamma ஓட ஆன்சர் நம்மளுக்கு தெரியும் ஆல்ரெடி. What is the answer? minus 2. So which is equal to minus 4. So sum of single root ஓட ஆன்சர் என்ன? minus 4. Next, sum of double root. So sum of double root na 2 alpha 2 beta வை 4 alpha beta, 2 gamma 2 beta வை 4 beta gamma, 2 gamma 2 alpha 4 gamma alpha எழுதலாம். Okay, again இங்கிருந்து 4 காமனாக எடுத்தோம்னா alpha beta beta gamma gamma alpha கிடைக்கும். and this is also we know the answer. what is the answer? 3 னு கிடைச்சது இல்லையா? so 4 into 3 which is equal to 12. so sum of second root கிடைச்சிருது. what is the third one? Product of alpha, product of the roots, that is 2 alpha 2 beta 2 gamma which is equal to 2 2s are 4 4 2s are 8 alpha beta gamma. Alpha beta gamma we know the value. so 8 into that answer is minus 4 which is equal to minus 32. so sum of single root, double root, product of root கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. now what is the cubic equation? therefore your cubic equation is x cube minus sum of single root. sum of single root ஓட ஆன்சர் என்ன? minus 4. அப்போ இங்கே minus into minus plus 4 ஆயிடும். so 4x square plus sum of double root 12. so 12x sum of product வந்து minus 32. நம்ம ஒரு minus போடுவோம். so plus 32 which is equal to 0 is your final answer. okay, so one more subdivision also I'll do. your second subdivision question is 1 by alpha 1 by beta 1 by gamma, right? 3 roots are given. இப்போ இந்த 3 roots வச்சு what are the things we want to find out? sum of single root, sum of double root, product of the root. 3 we have to find out. so when we see the solution, first sum of single root find out பண்ணலாமா? so 1 by alpha 1 by beta 1 by gamma. so we have to take LCM, right? so LCM எடுத்தோம்னா எது LCM? alpha beta gamma தான் LCM. அப்போ இங்கே மேலே போட்டிங்கன்னா beta gamma plus alpha gamma plus alpha beta. Correct? Now, this value we know. Question liye kandupidichom. What is the answer? 3. Alpha beta gamma answer minus 4. Appa final answer enna? Minus 3 by 4. Appa sum of single root oda answer enna? Minus 3 by 4. Next what we have to find out? Sum of double root, that is 1 by alpha beta, 1 by beta gamma, 1 by gamma alpha. Same like that. LCM எடுக்கிறோம். What is your LCM? Alpha beta gamma தான் LCM. So மேலே எடுத்தோன்னா alpha beta இருக்கா? So gamma இங்கே alpha இங்கே beta. Correct? So now alpha beta gamma ஓட value என்ன? Minus 2. Alpha beta gamma oda value என்ன? Minus 4. So இதை cancel பண்ணோம்னா minus minus cancel ஆயிடும். 2 4 cancel ஆச்சுன்னா 1 by 2. Correct? Next. Sum of single root find out பண்ணியாச்சு. Sum of double root find out பண்ணியாச்சு. Next, product of 3 roots. What are the product of 3 roots? Alpha, beta, not this one. 1 by alpha, beta, gamma. Correct? Okay. So 1 by alpha beta gamma answer in minus 4, which is equal to minus 1 by 4. Now, இப்போ நம்மளுக்கு three terms கிடைச்சிருச்சு. What are the 3 terms? Sum of single root, sum of double root, product of roots. Next, use your cubic equation format, then you can find out the equation. Okay. So, இப்போ we can form the cubic equation. Hence, a cubic equation is, in a cubic equation, x cube minus sum of single root oda answer என்ன வந்தது? 3 by 4. Minus 3 by 4, so இது plus ஆயிடுச்சு. Plus 3 by 4 x square plus sum of 2 root வந்து 1 by 2. So 1 by 2x and minus, அங்கே ஒரு minus இருக்கனால plus, and the constant oda value 1 by 4 equal to 0. Now taking LCM of this one, 4 is a LCM. So 4x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 1 equal to 0 is the required equation. Is that clear? Yes. Next, your fourth question. Question is, solve the equation. So, ஒரு equation கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. What is that? 3x square minus 3x cube minus 16x square plus 23x minus 6 equal to 0. And one condition is given. If the product of 2 roots is 1. So, என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க? டோட்டலாக இங்கே வந்து x ஓட பவர் என்ன? 3. ஸோ எத்தனை ரூட்ஸ் நம்ம ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணணும்? 3 ரூட்ஸ். ஸோ இந்த 3 ரூட்ஸுக்கு அவங்க என்ன ஒரு ஹிண்ட் கொடுத்துருக்காங்கன்னா, ப்ராடக்ட் ஆஃப் 2 ரூட்ஸ் இஸ் 1. நீங்கள் ஏதாவது 2 ரூட்டை மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணால் என்ன ஆன்சர் கிடைக்கும்? 1. அப்போது ஒரு ரூட் 3 இருந்தால் இன்னொரு ரூட் என்னவா இருக்கும்? 1 by 3. அப்படி இருந்தால் தானே கேன்சல் பண்ணும்போது 1 கிடைக்கும். சப்போஸ் ஒரு ரூட் 5 இருந்தால் இன்னொரு ரூட் என்னவா இருக்கும்? 1 by 5. ஸோ இப்போ நம்ம 3 ரூட்ஸ் கண்டுபிடிக்கிறோம். அந்த 3 ரூட்ஸில் மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன் ஆஃப் 2 ரூட்டோட ஆன்சர் என்ன? 1ன்னு கிடைக்கணும். இஸ் தட் கிளியர்? ஓகே. ஸோ சொல்யூஷன் வில் பி, let the roots, first number roots தான் எடுக்கணும். So let the roots be alpha, 1 by alpha, beta. 3 roots எடுக்கிறோம். ஆக்சுவலாக ஆல்ஃபா பீட்டா காமான்னு எடுக்கணும். பட் ஹியர் why we have taken as alpha, 1 by alpha and beta? ஸோ பிகாஸ் நம்ம 2 ரூட்டு மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணால் என்ன கிடைக்கணும்? 1 கிடைக்கணும். அதனால we have taken like this. ஓகேவா? Next, as usual, sum of single root, sum of double root and product of root கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். Next, sum of single root என்னென்ன? Alpha plus 1 by alpha plus beta, which is equal to minus b by a. Correct? அப்போது 16 by 3. இதுதான் ஆன்சர். நெக்ஸ்ட், சம் ஆஃப் 2 ரூட் எடுத்தோம்னா alpha into 1 by alpha plus 1 by alpha into beta plus beta into alpha. which is equal to C by A. That is 23 by 3. So, this cancel panna 1 plus beta by alpha plus alpha beta. In answer kadachadu 23 by 3. Next, sum of 3 roots, alpha into 1 by alpha into beta, which is equal to minus C by A. அதாவது 6 by 3, which is equal to 2. Okay, இந்த alpha cancel ஆயிடும். Okay, so sum of single root find out பண்ணியாச்சு, sum of double root find out பண்ணியாச்சு, product of root find out பண்ணியாச்சு. Is that right? Next, use your formula. Now, we one more time I'll write it in the clear form. Alpha plus 1 by alpha plus beta, answer in 16 by 3. Next, 1 plus beta by alpha plus alpha beta equal to 23 by 3. Next, beta equal to 2. So this is your equation 1, 2, 3. Now, in the beta we substitute pannamna, can we find out the alpha value? Yes. So enna pannalam, substitute 3 in 1. Okay va? அப்ப இது என்னவா மாறும்? Alpha plus 1 by alpha, beta oda value 2 plus 2 equal to what is that? 16 by 3. இதை simplify பண்ண போறோம். So alpha plus 1 by alpha equal to 16 by 3 minus 2. So இது LCM எடுத்து we have to simplify. So what we will get, alpha plus 1 by alpha எப்படி எழுதலாம்? Alpha square plus 1 by alpha equal to, அந்த பக்கம் simplify பண்ணம்னா 10 by 3. திரும்ப இதை cross multiply பண்ணம்னா 3 alpha square plus 3 equal to 10 alpha. திரும்ப எல்லாம் ஒரே equation எடுத்தோம்னா 3 alpha square minus 10 alpha plus 3 equal to 0. So என்ன numbers? 3 3s are 9 minus 10 கிடைக்கணும். ஓகேவா? So multiply பண்ணா we have to get 9 and subtract பண்ணா we have to get the answer as 1. Now what are the two numbers? So minus 1 minus 9. Correct? 9 ones are 9, 9 plus 1 10. அப்புறம் divided by 3. Divided by 3. Therefore alpha value என்னன்னு எடுக்கலாம்? minus 1 by 3 na plus 1 by 3, minus 9 by 3 na plus 9 by 3. திரும்ப இது ரெண்டு cancel பண்ணலாம். அப்போ alpha value என்ன? 1 by 3 or 3. 1 by 3 or 3. Correct? So alpha find out பண்ணியாச்சு, பீட்டாவும் தெரியும். Okay? So what are therefore the roots are, alpha value என்ன? 3. 1 by alpha value 1 by 3, beta value 2. Therefore the roots are 3 comma 1 by 3 comma 2. And your homework is exercise 3.1, second problem first subdivision, second subdivision, third problem third subdivision. Thank you students.